Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Summit White 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT, stock number A7112. Right away up front you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim, getting a close-up on the tread that is wrapped in a hand-cooked tire. Inside you have a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two up front. You've got seating for three back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming back to the rear, there is a backup camera. You've also got keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. Stepping inside, to the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a push-button start back here. And then above the rear view mirror, this is equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 36 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Malibu or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.